Stop scrolling. Did you know only 2% of Minecraft players have discovered the Warden's hidden heartbeat sound? When you're near a Warden in the deep dark, listen closely. There's a deep, thumping heartbeat that gets louder as you get closer. This isn't just for atmosphere. The heartbeat actually syncs with the Warden's anger level. The faster and louder it gets, the more danger you're in. Next time you're exploring the deep dark, use this sound to know when to run. Did you already know about this creepy Warden secret? Comment below.